Hello, my name is Tim Edwards and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. This is part 2 of a 3-part series of how to play Amazing Grace. The last lesson I taught you how to play Amazing Grace using 3 simple chords, G, C, and D. Today I want to teach you how to play the tab or the melody solo parts of Amazing Grace. You can download the tab for this lesson in the description below before this lesson begins, and you can just follow along with that. I would like to dedicate this lesson to my 2 granddaughters. They asked Jesus to come into their heart a couple of weeks ago, and they were baptized this last Easter Sunday morning. What a blessing it was. They were born at the same time, and they were born again on the same day as well, and they were baptized again on the same day, and I just praise God for them. Kate and Claire, thank God for them. So if you haven't had the opportunity to subscribe to my channel, please hit the like button and take time to subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation. It just simply kind of bookmarks my channel on your subscriptions, and every time I put out a video, you'll kind of be notified when a new video lesson has been uploaded. So I appreciate you if you would subscribe to my channel. I appreciate all those subscribers to my channel as well. So let's get started learning this amazing hymn. Okay, looking at the tab above, I just want to remind you this is in 3/4 time. 3/4 time, in other words, there's 3 beats per measure. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it's like that. So if you look at the tab also, you see some mostly zeros. We'll just continue in the key of G, C, and D. This tablature does show some D7s and so forth, but really it won't affect how we play this tab. Those are for purposes of playing chords. But the 0 means the strings are open. You do not have to use your fingers to press down on any strings. So anytime you see a 0, it's like that. And then you see 6 lines on the tablature as well. The very bottom line is your top E string, or your bass, your largest diameter strings. Okay, and then the very top of the line is your smallest string, E string. So if you look at that first 0 there, that string is open. That's string number 4, which is the D string there. So those are the strings that you'll be strumming along. So when you see the zeros, that means the strings are open. You play them open. You do not have to depress any frets. And whatever lines that the numbers are placed on will be the strings that you'll play. Okay. So you'll see also some dark lines under some of those zeros, and that just means you'll hold those notes a little bit longer. Okay, you'll just pause. So you know the tune of Amazing Grace, so you'll just hold those notes a little bit longer. So if we kind of zoom in and look, like so, the first 0, and I'll leave the chart up all the time. So it'll be. Okay, so let's go back and look at that again. Okay, so it's open strings. Okay, so strings 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, and then you mash down on the 2nd fret. You mash the 3rd string down on the 2nd fret one time, and then open, and then you mash the string number 4 on the 2nd fret, and then you lift off your finger and play it open. Okay, so it's starting over again. So let's do it one more time. Okay, so the second part is similar. You'll play the 4th string open, and then you'll press that same D string on fret number 2, and then the other strings will be open, so it'll sound something like this. Okay, let's do that one more time. Okay. It's best to use your, anytime you're depressing a string, go ahead and use your first finger, your index finger, and when you have to play the 3rd fret, use finger number 2 or your middle finger. Okay, so that part on the 2nd half, so it's a 2, 2nd fret on the 3rd string, and then open on the 2nd string, and then press fret number 3 on the 2nd string. Okay, and you'll see that little tie going across through there. That means you just simply hold that out. You got 3 beats plus 2 beats on another measure. Okay, so it's 2, 3, 1, 2. Then playing on, you just lift your finger up on that same fret. So you'll hit open 3, 3 on that 2nd string. Open 3, 3. Open. Play it all again one more time. 3, 1, 2. 2, 3, 1, 2. So that number 2 there, that just means it's a leading note to start back over again with open notes. So you depress the 4th string down using your index finger on fret number 2, and then let off of it, and that starts you back over again at the very top. So we'll play through it one more time, kind of slow. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Just refer back to that tablature and practice that. You can play that over as many times, and you could use some of the backing tracks from the previous lesson using the G, C, and D. You can kind of play along with that tempo. Even though my hands on the practice track is showing me play the chords, just ignore that and just play along with the tablature, and I'll give you a backing practice track to play along with. Okay, that concludes our lesson for today, and hopefully you enjoyed that. Just don't forget to hit the like button if you like this lesson and what I'm presenting so far, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'd like to try to encourage as many listeners, if you would, to subscribe to my channel. I'd like to get up to 100 subscribers. I'm just starting off on this YouTube channel for the last couple of months, trying to get up to the first 100. So let your friends know, and I'll be trying to put out lessons at least once per week, sometimes more, and just kind of tailoring to the beginner players and on up a little bit through time, and be introducing new chords and new lessons along the way. So thank you for joining in, and I appreciate you very much. God bless you. Have a great day.